Everyone say hi to Cadet. He's just hanging out behind me here. Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to A Dose of Breality. So how's it feel seeing my face? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row now. How's that feel? Feels weird from here. Weird. Very weird. So could not wait. Just got home. Sorry, chapstick. Couldn't wait, just got home and I got this bad boy in the mail, so I wanted to unbag this for you. This is a shipment from Notoriously Morbid. It's an indie makeup company. If you've never heard about them, I will leave all of the information in the description box below. But before I forget, if you have not done so already, please hit that little button right over here. It is red. It says subscribe. Please do that. It would mean so much to me to see all of you hanging out and chatting down in the comments in future videos. So now let me open up this. So Notoriously Morbid is an indie makeup company, as I said, but they do a subscription box service, well, a subscription service monthly. So they typically do themes. September's theme is We Are Immortal. And they sent some Sour Patch Kids along, so that's always awesome. They always send some kind of like candy or something. And then your stuff comes packed up in a little bag, and they're just little trials, and I love it. First thing in here is Immortal Kiss Sinister Sprite Lip Shimmer. Victorian Rose Sinister Sprite Lip Shimmer with a copper sheen. Flavored black currant, macadamia, and praline. Ooh, this is Spectre with a beating heart. Okay. A light copper shimmering blush with a mauve base. Also can be used as an eyeshadow, and it does say on here that it is eye safe and vegan, not lip safe. So don't use this on your lips, but very, very pretty. Let me see. Get the lid off and see. And it comes with a nice little safety seal on there. But yeah, really cute. It's a little sifter. Oh my. So this, if you can see that, is the blush. Measure of Loneliness. This is an eyeshadow. Warm, innocent lilac base with a cold blue sheen. This is part of their Vanishing cabinet series, or VC. So this stuff, oh, and I cannot show you this. There's no sifter in this. That is gorgeous. Ignore the blush that's here, but like that is gorgeous. This one is Loved by Death. This one is a shadow, a cool toned down brown base with a shifting sheen that moves from red to copper with hints of violet and shifting blue to orange sparkles. That sounds absolutely amazing. I had kind of a hard time swatching this one. It's there. It's not the darkest, but I think that's good in a way. Again, swatching loose powdery pigments with your fingers is not the best way to do things. Using a brush really would be a better option. But I did have a hard time with swatching that one. Last Sunrise. Last Sunrise is their hand-pressed shadow, and it's a warm red copper with blue and purple sparkles. Hand-pressed and not machine-pressed. Imperfections may occur. Pan is glued into the clamshell. All right. Ooh. And that is a very pretty, and it says it's glued, but I just want to make sure. That is so stinking pretty. Ooh. All right, and I took just the smallest amount. Oh, okay. That was literally went. And then one swipe across my wrist there. I'm super impressed with that swatch. Just like, oh, I'm excited, guys. I'm so excited for this. I will leave all of the information for Notoriously Morbid down in the description box if you would like to shop, if you would like to join their Vanishing cabinet monthly subscription. I'll leave all that information in the description box down below. I'm not sponsored or paid by them in any way. I just really enjoy their makeup. I've got quite a lot of it. At some point I should probably get on here and like swatch all of it and show you guys all of it, because I am absolutely in love with this company. Their lipsticks are amazing. So that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will see you guys tomorrow. Trying really hard to do the daily thing. I'm not sure how long I can keep that up, but let me know what you guys want to see tomorrow. And I will see you guys, well, I already said it. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.